It's great. It's amazing. You want more? Why are you not eating? Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Miss Bini in America. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always joining me. And if you are still here, you have not subscribed to my channel, join the community. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. So today I'm very excited because I will be making chicken pepper soup and yam. Yeah! In my dialect we call it ukodo. So today I will be making ukodo. Let's do it together. I will be showing you all the things that I'm gonna be using today. Come on, let's do it. So guys, we have here, this is chicken. I'll open it later. And this is pepper. This is red dry pepper. And this is blended crayfish. This is nutmeg. This one is already blended. And we'll be using uda. Hey, I don't know if it's correct. Yeah, uda. And we have ORIMA. Yeah, this is ORIMA. This is Nigerian non-margin. And this I don't remember this. I will just leave the name there on the comment section, so you guys should check that. I know you guys know it, but I don't remember the name. Okay guys, so these are the things we'll be using, and of course I'll be adding salt. I'm going to put my salt here. Okay, so first of all, what I want to do, I will be cutting the chicken. Oh my god, this is full chicken. I didn't even know. See, okay, I want to cut the head. I don't need the head. Okay. I don't need the head. Okay, so I really don't know how to cut chicken, but let me try. So guys, I just finished cutting it. Put it here. So I finished cutting it. So now it's time to clean the chicken. So this aside. Water inside already. So the chicken still has a lot of little hair inside. So I'm just going to take them out before I take it to the kitchen, put it in the pot. So guys, I just finished cleaning the chicken, and there it's time for the spicy. So I broke this. So this is the back and this is the inside, and we are going to be using this one. All right, so same thing with this. What am I doing? Same thing with this. I'm going to break this one and take out the seed that is inside, because we don't need that one. We only need the skin. So now I'm just going to use my knife. So yes, you see, this is what we need. I already take the seed out. So they are here now. I already break them. I take out the seed. See? So see? Now it's time to blend. I'm going to add this one to it. So I will blend this together. There are three ingredients here. So I'll add water to it. Then cover it up. Time to blend it. So I finished blending it. See? So the next now is to add my chicken in this pot. There's no water inside the pot. What I will do, I already clean the chicken. I just add another water to make sure it's clean. So I'll put all the chicken in the pot. So I'm not going to add any water to it except my blended ingredients. So I'm going to add this now to it, then add salt, pepper and everything, so that I just want to steam it with those. So add pepper to it, all of it, because it's called pepper soup. It's going to be hot. So this is my crayfish and this is salt. I'm going to add everything to it. Then I'm still going to add mangin to it. So now I will add nutmeg. It's time to stir it. Look at this. So cover it up. So guys, the chicken is already in the fire. All the ingredients that I need to put in is already in there. So I will leave it to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then while it's cooking, I want to cut my yam that I'm going to add to it. First of all, peel the skin and then cut it and add it to it. So let's do it. We are cooking. So this is the yam, guys. I allow the yam. This is the yam I want to add to it, guys. So I'm just gonna peel the skin and then cut it because the chicken is boiling right now. It's smelling good. The reason why I don't add water to the chicken yet is because I want the ingredients to go inside the chicken. Like, you know, when you are eating, you will be able to feel the ingredients. It's going to be yummy. So this is the yam. I finished cutting it. I'll put it here in my, I'll put it on this bowl, then I'll rest it. So guys, it's time to check it out. It smells amazing. I'm so happy. So let's check it out. This is the yam. I'm going to add it now, then add water to it. I will now let them boil together, and we have pepper soup. Alright, let's see it. Ooh. Oh my god, that's amazing. Look guys, see what we have here. Pepper soup. We have pepper soup. I'm going to be adding this yam to it. And after now, I will now add water to it. You can add as many amount of water you want, because that's why we call it pepper soup. It's gonna be, it doesn't mean it should be thick, but depends on how you want it. I want to be able to drink the water while I'm eating it. I just be sipping the water. Yeah, that type. Ooh, look at that! I just cannot wait. It smells everywhere and it smells amazing. Let's see. So everything is inside now. I add water to it. I'm just going to cover it up and to let it boil and come back and show you how it turns out. Okay guys, it's time to check what we are cooking. And before I forgot, I add little black pepper to it because the pepper I added before was not enough. I add a little black pepper to it, which is called oziza in my language, and now in my dialect. So now I will show you how it looks, and then secondly I will be adding scent leaf to it. It's gonna be wow. Yes guys. Ooh. This is our pepper soup. Yes, pepper soup. Look at that, chicken pepper soup. Yeah. So here is the scent leaf. I'm gonna add scent leaf just to garnish it up. And then stir it together and leave it to boil for oh my god. Oh my god. Woo. The scent leaf is already representing. So I'm just gonna leave it to boil for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes because of the scent leaf. Then we are ready to eat. We are ready to eat. I'm so excited. So here is our pepper soup. Hi guys, look how my pepper soup is ready. I'm so happy. Look at this delicious pepper soup. Yes, pepper soup is very good for the body, most especially if you are a new mom. You try it out, it's amazing, and it's also good in winter, make you feel that heat inside of you. So I just finished making it, so let's try it. I know it's gonna be yummy because it smells great, amazing. Yeah. It tastes great. The the scent leaf I add to it just give it another different taste, like very great taste. You want to join me, sweetheart? Mama, join me. You want to join me? Come on. My son is here. You want to join me? You want to eat? You want to eat pepper soup? Yeah? Yeah? Please, just test. You did not even try it. He said no. Why are you looking at it like that? Huh? Okay. He said, you like it? You want to try it? Let me give you more. Alright? It's really good. Okay, go. Go. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh my god. Alright, he just want me to hold him. Okay. Alright guys. Oh my god. I like to use hard chicken for pepper soup. So this is hard chicken. It's great. Amazing. Why are you not eating? You see? It tastes great, right? One more? No? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll be going now and sit down and relax to finish our food. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Bye bye. Say bye. Say bye. Good boy. Bye. We'll see you guys on our next video. Yes, bye.